You're listening to Health Professional Radio with Wayne Bucklar. Today my guest is John Boland, and John joins us from Adelaide in Australia, where he is the General Manager of Hospitality Services of LHI Retirement Services, but we're actually going to talk to you today in his other capacity as National President of the Institute of Hospitality and Healthcare, the IHHC. John, welcome to Health Professional Radio.
Thank you, Wayne.
Now, John, I should say welcome back because we've spoken to you before in your capacity as the General Manager of Hospitality Services with LHI, but I understand the IHHC has launched a new website and a partnership.
Yes, I guess as part of our website, we have actually got involved with Healthcare New South Wales and Arthritis Australia, and it's actually a project we've worked with joint forces with those two organisations, and it's a benefit that we feel will add value to our membership. So it's actually some information that we've placed on our existing website.
Now, I understand as a result of that partnership and website, you've been doing some work into food packaging.
Yes, I guess the whole idea of the information sharing came about from Healthcare New South Wales and Arthritis Australia, where they recognised our membership group are a major purchaser here in Australia of products for our aged care organisations and for our hospitals. And our managers have actually got, I guess, the control to make decisions in regards to products that they purchase. So I guess the idea was really, folks approached, I guess, the IHHC with the idea that they wanted to get the word out to consumers that this product was available for managers to make informed decisions around packaging. The project itself is the brainchild of Healthcare New South Wales and Arthritis Australia. So I guess where the IHHC come into the picture is really to give exposure to the packaging accessibility rating to members, and then obviously then that would flow on to members and inform decisions to make with products they would purchase.
Now, John, is the ease with which you can open food packaging a nutritional problem for the aged? I know I'm not quite in the aged care category yet, but I know some of it's damned annoying.
Mm-hmm.
Is there actually a nutritional impact in this?
Yeah, look, we do believe so. I mean, I guess for yourself and myself, who probably haven't quite reached that age bracket yet, you know, just for the common products you sometimes purchase, you know, you get them in these very heavy plastic packaging that, you know, sometimes you need a Stanley knife or scissors to actually open these packages, and you know, there can be damage to people, so they sometimes try to use their teeth to open things, and you know, if you're using a Stanley knife or a knife, you know, you could slip and cause yourself serious injuries. So I guess that's just for everybody out there as a general product. But in regards to our food areas, especially I guess in the hospital situation where you do have a tray service situation to the various wards, and I guess there's a lot of emphasis on our food safety programs that we need to ensure that the food that we're serving our patients and residents is safe. A lot of portion control products do come into the picture. And I guess if you've got an elderly person or a person with suffering from arthritis, or it could be just somebody with a broken arm, and you know, it can be quite difficult to open a package at times, you know. So there can be some food items out there that cause extreme difficulty in regards to the opening of that product. And I guess what we have seen over the years is on the return of a tray from the wards, you can actually see a lot of food wastage because people will actually not have been able to open the package, so they give up and they just leave it.
Mm.
So, in other words, you know, if you can't open the package, you're not going to eat it. So,
yeah.
So I guess, look, I mean, there is certainly benefits for adopting, I guess, to the use of the packaging system, because if we'll sort of create, I guess, over many years, easier to open packages for elderly people and more frail people and people with sort of certain conditions that might have difficulty otherwise.
And if you're a patient or resident, you don't always have a Stanley knife with you. It's not one of the things you typically have to hand.
Absolutely. Yeah, no, you're perfectly right.
I guess that some of our listeners may not be members of the IHHC, but I guess the website is the best place for them to get in touch. That's ihhc.org.au. And there you can find information about the HealthShare packaging program. And you can also get in touch with John Boland, our guest today, who'll be able to provide you with information about what the Institute does and what programs they've got in place. My guest today, John Boland, thank you for making yourself available today. I know it's always an imposition when someone rings you up and wants to do an interview, so thank you for your time today.
Wayne, thank you. We very much appreciate the opportunity to be able to speak to your listeners and share with them as well some of the good work that the IHHC is doing out there. And this is just one aspect of one of the aspects and the benefits that we see for our members. Whereas we don't endorse what products our members are required to purchase, it actually just gives them some information that they're able to make an informed decision in regards to an easier open package that at the end of the day is a benefit for our patients and for our residents. So I do appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
If you just missed my conversation with John Boland, John's the General Manager Hospitality Services at LHI Retirement Services and also the National President of the Institute of Hospitality and Healthcare. And we've been talking today about the food packaging accessibility ratings that the IHHC has now put on its website in conjunction with HealthShare New South Wales and Arthritis Australia. If you've got an interest in food packaging, then head off to their website at ihhc.org.au, or if you'd like to hear the interview again or read the transcript, that's available on our website at www.hpr.fm. This is Health Professional Radio, and you're listening to Wayne Bucklar.